Now, what's not included in those numbers reported are the almost 350 inmates that have tested positive at the Cummins State Prison. This was a big topic at today's press conference. Our Claire Kreitz was there and joins us live now. And Claire, I know that the state has a plan to handle this outbreak. What is it?
Yeah, Hillary, right now they're just trying to stop the spread in its tracks. That means separating the positive cases from the negative ones. Also, state leaders are looking at ways to prevent this kind of outbreak from happening in other units.
The number that we will have coming out of Cummins dwarfs what we're having statewide.
COVID-19 spreads through the cells of a state prison like wildfire.
To date, we have tested almost 1,400 inmates within the Cummins Maximum Security Facility.
Of those 1,400 tests,
we have 348 positive thus far and still waiting on more results.
Working to keep that number from multiplying, state officials are weeding out those confirmed cases.
We have 8 positive barracks within Cummins, and we have 7 negative barracks.
But this outbreak has also sparked conversation about how to prevent something like this from happening in another facility.
It's a matter of looking ahead and planning.
Governor Hutchinson says it all comes down to identifying the positive cases early and separating them from the rest of the inmates.
And we have to have some empty spaces for that.
To open up those cells,
and I've asked for a review of all nonviolent offenders who are non-sex offenders that are due for release within the next 6 months.
That's almost 2,000 inmates now being considered for early release.
There's public health concerns, but there's also public safety concerns.
But Governor Hutchinson says there will be a thorough review process before any inmates walk free.
They will be screened by the Parole Board and the Board of Corrections from a public safety standpoint.
The Parole Board is also considering releasing inmates with chronic illnesses. Again, no violent offenders or sex offenders have any chance of being released early. Hillary, back to you.